One box, 13-14 SP Authentic Hockey. Box number 99. 20 packs, 5 cards per pack. Fun little product. Alright, we're off. Starting off with the Tommy Wilson Premier Prospects. Victor Fast. He's on the Oilers now. $12.99. Redemption. Got it, Nathan. Wow, pulled it. Nathan Mackinnon. There it is, guys. That's awesome. This case has been incredible. $9.99 auto. When I saw the redemption, I was thinking, come on, Nathan. I flipped over. There it was, just waiting. It's been nice hits of redemptions. The Puig and now this. Wow, that's awesome. Linden Vey to $12.99. The Kings. Authentic Moments, Pecorine. Morgan Riley, Premier Prospects. These cards are awesome. It's be a nice set to put together. Vladimir Tarasenko, Premier Prospects. Scott Lawton. I think I've pulled this already. $9.99 for the Flyers. Scotty Lawton. Jonathan Huberdeau, the Calder winner last year for the Panthers. Another Premier Prospects. I think it's Serge posted on one of my videos that I'm getting a lot of Premier Prospects. I think he said my box was weird, so if the others were, then this one looks like it's weird as well. Is that Marcel Dione, Authentic Moments. Ray Bork, Authentic Moments. Same card in this. Tom Wilson, Premier Prospects. Second one in the box. That's the second time that's happened. Okay, actually, that last one was sorry, that was Connor Carrick. This is Tom Wilson again. I had to check myself. I thought I got the same card 3 times there. Getting to the bottom of the box. Still waiting on one hit. Well, we got the Mackinnon already. That's under our belt. Zemgus again. Another Zemgus. Surge, these boxes are a little weird. One looks different. Oh, it's black and white. Nice one, Tyler Toffoli. 999 for the Kings. That's a beautiful card. He had a good playoff run. He was a thorn in the Blackhawks' side, that's for sure. Mark Barbiero, haven't heard of him. For the Lightning, $12.99. Authentic Moments, Matt Sundin. Tays and Sharp, Authentic Moments. And finishing off with a beautiful Mackinnon Premier Prospects. So, incredible box right there. 3 hits, all Future Watch. Can't beat that. Time to recap it. Tyler Toffoli, Future Watch Auto. Scotty Lawton, Future Watch Auto. And, of course, Mackinnon. Yeah, I'll try to get that. I'll get that into the computer tonight. See how long it takes to get that one back. But that was awesome, guys. Thanks.